Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey...
Maraming salamat po sa inyong time and presence na nakarating po kayo and to join us for this very memorable occasion, of course, sa ating pinakamamahal na baby Caleb.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never ending. We will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Happy birthday, Caleb! Happy birthday, Caleb!
Happy birthday, Caleb!
The moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we
Welcome po sa ating lahat at mag-enjoy po sana tayo ngayong gabi kahit maulan. Marami pong salamat sa pagpunta.
Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to
Laging susundin si Mommy at si Daddy. At syempre, maging scientist someday.
Good health palagi and sana maging lawyer naman. Marami ng engineer sa amin.
Happy birthday. Parati kita nakikita kasi sa harapan ka lang ng bahay namin. Pag malaki-laki ka na, pupunta ka na dun sa amin. Ninang Babes, katok lang.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Hello Caleb, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana lumaki kang mabaitan. Alam ko naman na nandyan yung guidance lagi ni daddy at nanay mo.
Yun lang din naman yung wish ko, kung ano yung wish nila. Sana safe and healthy lang din palagi si Caleb. Happy birthday, love you.
Leads us right back home.
Hindi naman choice ni Caleb na maging scientist. Ako po talaga nag-decide na maging scientist siya. So, next year, hindi na siya scientist. Iba na naman. Makinig ka kay ate at kay kuya. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Caleb. Maging gwapo ka tulad ni Kuya.
It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Won't you look at how we come alive? Take my hand and we can watch this grow.
First birthday na po ni Caleb. Ang bilis ng isang taon, parang kailan lang. Salamat sa buhay ng aming baby. Sobrang saya po nung dumating siya. Kaya thank you Lord sa lahat ng paggabay mo kay Caleb. Sana i-bless mo pa po siya parati hanggang ma-reach niya ang kanyang mga dreams sa buhay.
It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Look how we shine. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.